welcome to another video. If you don't know, my name is Delane. This is my son Jensen. Is that better? So this week in our color series, we are doing the color yellow. Can you say yellow? Yellow is a hard one. We don't own a lot of yellow clothing because that's not really our color. So I'm just wearing whatever. And do you have yellow on your shirt? Yellow? Yellow. So we're just gonna jump right in with some activities to work on the color yellow while also working on fine motor skills. All right, let's just jump right in. So our first activity is a yellow sensory bin. I've been doing a sensory bin with every color, but this time I got yellow grass from the Dollar Tree and then different yellow textured items. And as we went along, I also would hide the items under the grass since it was thicker, and we worked on that skill while also working on telling him that the color was yellow. Next activity is so easy. All you need is white paper. I did put a larger piece of yellow paper behind it just to make it thicker, and then yellow dot stickers that I got from the Dollar Tree. And we just worked on peeling the stickers off and putting them down. So we wanted to work on that skill while also working on the color yellow, like I said, with the previous activity. The water transfer activity was by far his very favorite one, which of course it was. It has water. I just got 2 bins that were the exact same height and they were pretty low, which is what I wanted, and I dyed the water yellow. And he just worked on pouring the yellow water into the clear water just so that he could see that it changed the water, and it also helps work on their pouring skills, which is really a life skill that they need to learn.
Good job, buddy. Yeah. Get it.
Jensen, can you show me your water?
Yeah.
Can you show me? Can you scoop the water?
Wow, good job, buddy. Oh my goodness.
This one was also very easy. All I used was white paper and a Sharpie to draw the sun, yellow non-toxic paint, and Q-tips. I let him begin painting with it dipped in the Q-tips, and after a while he did try to eat it, so then we just ended up using our hands and he got to paint that way. This activity is definitely above his skill level that he's at right now because it uses glue, but all you need is yellow tissue paper cut into squares, a glue stick, a paper plate cut in half, and black paper to make wheels so that you can make a bus. I helped him use the glue stick to glue down the tissue paper, and it was really good because he got to feel different textures and just work on sticking things down while also telling him buses are yellow, school buses are yellow. So we worked on multiple skills. While each activity did focus on the color yellow, and we reiterated that each item was the color yellow, we also were working on a lot of different skills that will help him in the future and things that he's going to need to know. So if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you could give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I hope that you guys have a wonderfully blessed rest of your day. Bye.